Hi guys, today I'm going to do an EDC update. I don't know if I carried this exact gear, particularly the main knife, in January, but I know I did carry it for February and March. So here we go. Left front pocket, we got a ferro rod, which I just added a couple days, like last week. We also got my keychain, which has Victorinox Recruit, Phoenix LD01, and Leatherman style PS. This is a Coghlan's ferro rod, by the way. Random no-name portable power bank that is 2600 milliamp per hour, and it's also a flashlight that has 3 modes: high, low, and a strobe. And the last thing in front left pocket is going to be a Leatherman Sidekick, which I did a review on. Front right pocket is going to be main knife, so Cold Steel Recon 1 4-inch blade, plain edge. I'll have a review of this up pretty soon. Just a pin and some gum, spearmint flavor. Back left pocket, I have one of the older Kershaw Leaks with 12C27 blade steel. Kershaw Leak, serrated. I don't use this at all, I just carry it for sentimental reasons. It's been engraved. It says teepee. Then I have a Gerber diamond pen rod sharpener. Back right pocket, wallet, just Pelle Studios, P-E-L-L-E Studios. It's a leather wallet. Open L number 8 with the force patina on it. And I did my own work on the handle. Secondary knife, Kershaw Skyline, Blem. Neck knife is the CRKT Foltz Minimalist Bowie style. This is a great knife. I really love this knife. It's an awesome neck knife. I'll have a review of that up soon. Phone, iPhone 4 in a LifeProof case. And for flashlight, this is going to be the Phoenix UC40 Ultimate Edition. The iPhone and the flashlight are on a belt pouch. So yep. Front left pocket for keys, ferro rod, portable power bank, and multi-tool. Main knife, which is Recon 1, pen and some gum. Front right pocket, phone and flashlight right on the belt. The neck knife, the minimalist, obviously the neck. Wallet, secondary knife, and just the open all back right pocket. And then the leak and the diamond sharpener in the back left pocket. Alright, thanks guys.